Well, good day, everybody. Nick McGinnis here, habitat biologist with the Nova Scotia Salmon Association. And today we are headed to the East River St. Mary's to complete a bank stabilization project. And we're going to be completing this project by using armor rocking mixed in with the incorporation of what we call root wads, which are the roots and the stump and about 10 feet of the trunk of large trees. And we'll be putting these into the rock work itself. It creates cover for fish, and it also helps with the recovery of the in-stream habitat by creating scours out in the channel a little bit away from the rock work. So it's a really good thing to do, especially in salmon rivers. It provides cover for juvenile fish in the summer, and it also provides cover for migrating salmon in the fall when they're going upstream to spawn. So we're going to go over basically from the beginning to the end on this project, on this video. Some serious bank erosion on this site. You can see this bank is sheared off straight down. So we're going to taper that back at a 2-to-1 slope. It'll give the river a little more room and super high flow, flood events, bank full discharges. Be a lot more stable, and it'll also, that stability will help that gravel bar across the channel revegetate much quicker, as it will be less disturbed during discharge events. So we've armor rocked the top portion of the turn, which will take the brunt of most of the force. So as we move down the bank, where the root wads are going, they're providing more of a cover function than bank stabilization. So we get down into the pool a little bit more. We're going to stick the root wads out. Now the angle of this turn wasn't quite conducive to the root wads, so we put a layer of big boulders underneath to kind of extend the shelf of this bank out a little more. Freshly installed root wads. There's already salmon fry perching right into this little cover. Doesn't take long.